Hi guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. So this is the final episode. So it's episode 3 of week 2 of Dee Dee's 3 and 15 Don't Freak Out Before Christmas challenge. And I've said before, I'm not doing Christmas. Dee Dee is doing all Christmas themed items so that she has pockets and ephemera and such for her Christmas journals that she's making this year, but I haven't even decided whether I will be making Christmas journals yet, so I'm not doing Christmas theme. Today I am using some pre-made, I'm cheating, some pre-made Tim Holtz tags, and then some pieces of Tim Holtz paper to create my tag pockets. And if you go check out Dee Dee's, she did hers a bit differently, differently, you know what I mean. Anyway, so I'm kind of doing it, you know, I don't know, it's a little bit different, but no worries, right? All right, the first thing I want to do is put my thumb hole in my little pocket at the bottom here. So there's one and two, and these little pieces just fly all over the place. All right, trying to center that, but yeah, not probably perfect. And then we'll go ahead and ink everything. At least it will start off just inking the parts that we won't be able to get to after we glue them together. So I hope you're all having a good day. It is Friday in your world, so I hope you all have a fabulous weekend as well. It's still Monday here, so I'm still, you know, I'm still in a Monday mood, but but that's okay. And then I also have them going in different directions here as well. So I'll kind of tell you how I did this. Pretty self-explanatory. My tags were already made, so then I just cut my pieces, you know, to the length that I needed them, and then I just cut them on a diagonal, and then I just cut, I think this is 1.5, yeah, it's 1.5 inches, and then the same width as my tag. So pretty simple. I am going to add little hole reinforcers to, the holes of the tag. These actually, you see they have a hole and like a score line at the bottom. These were intended to be put together like in a book, like make a little mini album. But I, you know, didn't want to do it that way. So these are just hole reinforcers that I have inked myself. Oh, that one's probably, yep, okay. With Distress ink. So if you buy the paper, you have to make sure that they're the paper type reinforcers, not the plastic coated ones. But then you can just color them any color you want. So pretty handy. You can buy them colored, but they're way more expensive than if you color them yourself. And I'm not sure what these are going to end up being. My guess is I would make them like a floating pocket or just a tag with, you know, pockets. So I'm not sure yet, but let's go ahead and glue these together. And I think this will be pretty quick as well. Getting better at this. I'm cheating a little, I know, by having everything kind of pre-cut, but it just works better for me to do it that way. And, you know, then it's just a bit quicker for me when I actually do the filming. All right. Whoops, let's scoot you over. There we go. All right. And this piece. Oh, my hands are so shaky today. There we go. And I don't know why, but this is not the right, I must have cut this wrong. I've got extra hanging here, so I'm just gonna trim that off. Oh, I'm not sure if I did that on all of them or just this one, but, and actually I need to trim off the bottom here because I didn't line it up properly when I glued it. That's okay, no worries, right? All right, there we go. And we'll ink in a minute after we get them all glued. Just ink around the whole thing. You could sew these if you wanted to, if you're not trying to, you know, do this in 15 minutes. It's definitely doable. And I might go back later, depending on what I use these for. I might go back and sew them when I'm ready to use them. Did I cut this too long too? I did. Oh well, that's okay. Well, you know what? Let's cut it first. I must not have measured properly. So the puppers are still on lockdown quarantine for Pixie's kennel cough. So my husband he's wonderful. He knows that I struggle to really get a whole lot done when, when the dogs are here. So he has taken some vacation days, and that's why I'm filming these all in one day, because he is here to babysit the pups, so I can film. So until they can go back to daycare a couple of days a week, that's what we're gonna do. Go. And I am assuming that this is the wrong size. Again, yep, just a wee bit off. That's okay. So I feel like everything has just kind of happened all at one time. There were a lot of things that I, had planned to start working on, and, also projects, that I was going to film, and I had some live streams planned, and then, life happened, as it always does, right? Just when you think everything is going your way, life has a different plan. So yeah, I apologize. I know I had promised I would do a couple things, and I haven't gotten into them yet, and but I will. I still have a list. All right, so we are gonna finish this in just over 10 minutes, guys. How exciting. I love these too. I love Tim Holtz paper in general. It's just so nice. I'm not gonna worry about inking the back until I know what I'm gonna do with them, but I love how these look. Very cool. And I actually have more of these tags that I could play with again. So that will be fun. All right. And I think someone commented on Dee Dee's video that they thought it would be cool to make this like a flip out, and then, you know, you could have writing space on the back. I'd have to do something because you can see those holes, but no worries. All right, guys, there we go. 3 tag pockets, and we've got, you know, multiple. We've got our pocket here, we've got a pocket here, and if we did glue this down, we could make another pocket, you know, in the back. All right, there we go, guys. 11 minutes. I hope you have a fabulous weekend, because by the time you see this, it will be Friday, and I will see you again soon. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell. I had said before, I'm approaching 3,000 subscribers, and there will be a big giveaway when we get there, so you don't want to miss out. All right, guys, have a fabulous weekend, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.